the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung Galaxy A6 from Metro by T-Mobile. So this is a new phone for Metro by T-Mobile. It got released today, November 12th. So the Galaxy A6 is a mid-range smartphone from Samsung. In my opinion, this phone has pretty good specs. In my opinion, this is a mid-range smartphone. So there's the phone right there in front and back there. Says here Samsung Galaxy A6. Right screen, right camera, right price, yes, yes, and yes. Alright. So the screen size on the Galaxy A6 is a 5.6 inch Infinity display. It's super AMOLED. It has a HD plus display there. It has 16 megapixel front and rear cameras, both with LED flash, both with 4HD videos. The Galaxy A6 also features 32 GB of RAM and 3 GB of RAM, so not too bad there. So that's the phone right there in front of you. On the front of the Galaxy A6, you guys have a camera, earpiece, front-facing camera, flash right there, and it's kind of hard to tell, but it does have an 18:9 screen. And I know that's kind of hard to tell in this picture, but the screen is 18:9. All right, so on the left side, you do have a volume button up and down. Your SIM tray is on the left. Your volume button is on the right side. So let's go take a look around the phone. Drag to spin. So on the left, like I said, your volume button up and down, and your SIM and memory card slot is also on the left, right here. That's where your SIM tray goes, right here. And then on the back of the Galaxy A6, you guys have a camera, fingerprint sensor, camera flash, Samsung logo, and these top and bottom things are your antennas, so it's pretty nice. So yeah, that's what the phone looks like on front and back. The Galaxy A6 is $299 with port-in on an unlimited data plan, so the $50 or $60 plan. So keep that in mind. So if you guys want to get this phone for $299, you guys must put your number over the Metro PCS. So keep that in mind. The full retail price of the Galaxy A6 at Metro is $359. So $299 is the cheapest I have seen this phone on prepaid thus far. But keep in mind, $299 is the port-in price. Alright. So it says here, the Samsung Galaxy A6 sleek metal design fits naturally in your hand and your pocket. Its immersive 5.6 inch Super AMOLED Infinity display delivers an entertaining big screen view, while the 16 megapixel front and back cameras allow you to shoot stunning photos even in low light. So yeah, and there's also more to it. I don't know why it didn't load up here, but whatever. So specs on this phone, like I said, 5.6 inch Super AMOLED display there. It's Infinity display there, 720 by 1480 pixels, 16 megapixel main camera with flash, and 16 megapixel front-facing camera with flash. 1.6 gigahertz octa-core processor. It is a Exynos 7870 processor, 32 gigabytes of internal memory, 3 gigabytes of RAM, and expandable up to 400 gigabyte with a micro SD card, and 3000 milliamp battery. Alright. So like I said, the A6 is $299 with port-in. So full retail price $359. All in-store rebates and stuff like that. When you switch to $6 off. So if you put your number over, you get this phone for $299 if you port in. So that's pretty nice. So not bad, you know. Pretty good price for this phone, you know. Not too bad. This is a mid-range phone, not too bad. So it says 16 megapixel front and back cameras, low light, high resolution every angle, 3000 mAh battery, the power to shoot, browse, and play all day. 5.6 inch HD plus Super AMOLED Infinity display. It has a edge-to-edge screen, perfect size for palms and pockets. Alright. So right now we're talking about the camera features. So that's what the camera UI looks like right there. It looks pretty nice, you know. Low light, no problem. A f1.7 aperture keeps picture bright and clear in low light, while the 16 megapixel rear camera takes crisp photos. Elevate your selfie in any light. The adjustable LED flash offers 3 levels of brightness, while the 16 megapixel front camera captures your best angle. Alright, so you can adjust the camera flash on the front, so that is pretty nice. More space, but what matters. 32 gigabytes of built-in storage gives you ample room to store, with the option to add up to 400 gigabytes with that microSD card. See more, hold less. The edge-to-edge 5.6-inch Super AMOLED Infinity display delivers stunning content. The sleek metal casing fits right in your pocket. Unlocks fast. Facial recognition and fingerprint scan lets you unlock quickly, so you can get right to it. So you have the choice to use fingerprint or facial recognition. So that is pretty cool. A smarter way to use your phone. Instantly shop for something you see with Bixby Vision. Take a photo and use Bixby to translate the text. Get news, reminders, and more on Bixby Home. So it has Bixby Vision in your camera, so that's pretty cool there. So I'm going to play you guys this little clip here. The Galaxy A6. Just trying to show you guys all the features here. Dude, this phone looks fucking nice as hell, dude. So that phone looks nice, man. This phone just looks fucking nice, dude. I'm sure it looks nicer in person. So yeah, let's go check out more specs and stuff. So device specifications. Like I said, 32 gigabytes of RAM. You get about 23.2 gigabytes available to use. 5.6-inch HD plus display there. 16 megapixel rear camera. Autofocus camera with LED flash, plus 16 megapixel front facing camera with gesture shot and selfie light. 400 gigabytes of microSD card expansion. Mobile hotspot, of course. 19 hours of talk time. Android 8.0 Oreo. 1.6 gigahertz octa-core Exynos 7870 processor. The Galaxy A6 weighs 5.7 ounces. I thought it'd be a bit more hefty than that because of the metal design, but not too bad. It also has hand aid compatibility and all that. So here are your accessories for the Galaxy A6 or whatever. If you guys want to get more accessories and for cheaper, go to Amazon and type in Galaxy A6 2018 on Amazon, and you guys should get accessories for cheaper. So there it is, guys, the Samsung Galaxy A6, now available at Metro by T-Mobile for $299 with port-in. The full retail price of the Galaxy A6 at Metro is $359. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you like me a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.